Hey guys, Jim from Import Image Racing, and today on our Product Peek, we're going to be answering a common question we get about the Noble F1 style brake light, so stay tuned. One of the most common questions we get here at Import Image is how do I switch between the two lighting options on my F1 brake light kit? That procedure is super simple, so let's start by hopping in the car. Once in the car, turn the ignition to the accessory mode. With the engine off, hold your foot on the brake. Cycle the light stalk from off to daytime running 3 times. In a few cases, we've noticed you might have to cycle the key off, then back on one more time. And just like that, we've disabled the F1 option. But if you ever change your mind, just repeat that procedure and it'll bring it back. So for more videos just like this and thousands more parts, be sure to visit importimageracing.com and we'll catch you on the next one.